Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are taking a look at number 3 Nursery Close in Whitstable. This property is located only a few minutes walk away from the town and equal distance away from the seafront. It's a wonderful location, and the nice thing about this property is it's brand spanking new, it's ready to go, and it forms part of a unique development of only 3 houses. So it's a really nice private enclosed space for you, and there's an abundance of parking at the front as well. Now we're starting this tour in the rear garden so you can get an idea of the space that you have on offer here, because it's lovely. It's a nice amount of space but not too much. It's a really easy space to maintain, and you can see you've got those lovely sliding doors leading straight onto the rear garden there from the lounge and kitchen space. The finish here is absolutely immaculate. It's ready to go. It offers you such an easy option for your property move, and we all want an easier option. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through. I'm going to show you the ground level and exactly what we've got on offer there, and then we're going to go upstairs and take a good look. So as we come through, we'll come into the main entrance hall, and you can see already the finish here is wonderful. You've got those wonderful flooring, you've got the lovely downstairs cloakroom here as well. You can see just how nice it's all been done. You've got those oak doors as well. Really nice added touches just to bring the standard up and to give you a really nice quality finish here. So in this lounge area, what's most striking about this space is you've got that abundance of natural light coming through here with the Velux windows, and of course with the windows at the front and the back, and those gigantic sliding doors there. This is a really light, bright, clean and open space. It's absolutely wonderful. You can see this is quite an imposing space as well, and it's nice that you've got the kitchen area open to the living space here as well, so you've got that nice open plan living. And as we sort of have a look around, you can see in the kitchen you've got an abundance of fitted appliances. The oven there, the microwave just above it. You've got the electric hob, dishwasher. Everything's here. It's all ready to go, and it's just finished so well here. But it's a very nice size. So also on this ground level, what we'll do is I'll show you just to the end of the corridor. We'll go upstairs and have a good look at what the bedrooms and the bathroom has on offer. So here we are upstairs, and up here we have 2 double bedrooms, proper double bedrooms, and of course this lovely family bathroom, again with that really lovely, clean, modern, contemporary finish. You've got the wonderful sink unit there, you've got the rainforest shower head there. It's just immaculate. It's wonderful. We'll come into bedroom number 2 here, which is a double size. You've got the 2 plug sockets there, so double bed would go in between of those. It's a lovely space. Got that lovely big window there at the front, which is nice, and the radiator as well in a strategic location, so as not to waste too much of the wall space in here. And you can see again that lovely oak doors. It's a really wonderful space, and we'll go through now and take a look at bedroom number 1. So here we are in bedroom number 1. Lovely space. You've got that nice floor to ceiling window there as well, letting all of that natural light in, and it's just again another wonderful double room. Plenty of plug sockets here as well. So with this property, again, a few finer details. It's offered end of chain, it's ready to go. Of course, the location here is absolutely wonderful. You're so close to the centre of Whitstable, but you're only a short distance from Joy Lane here as well. And access to the Thanet Way is so very easy from here too. So if you're looking to commute, there's no problem there. So I'd ask that you give us a call to find out a bit more.